When we talk about this idea of real-world learning, we could be talking about working with a client, but a lot of times, especially in digital media, it means doing work that actually takes place in the real world. What we've done is taken a clip from a movie and we've removed all the sound from it, including the dialogue.
Well, we thought it'd be fun if both the characters would be played by the same person.
It's a DeLorean.
Stay with me, Marty. All your questions will be
When it came
answered.
to recording the dialogue, we isolated it to be like one line at a time. We just looped the 3 seconds of the audio over and over again, and we chose the best one out of like the 17 tries that I took. We all went out as a group to record the sound effects.
With this project, a cue sheet is so important to know what you need so that you don't go back and think like, there's like an absence of sound there, and it'd be really cool if we had that. Well, then there you go. We branched out and recorded different things like car sounds, like walking in the rain, and like mechanical sounds for the DeLorean, especially the reveal of the DeLorean.
Each of us did our own rendition of the music.
I wanted music that would best fit the sound and the atmosphere that's being conveyed. For that specific scene, the atmosphere was like tense and suspenseful, and it was building up to the climax where the DeLorean is finally revealed.
Music composition was probably my favorite part of this whole project because I got the creative liberty to just like make it my own. I took some just like futuristic synths and a couple of woodwinds, and I made some like fun, mysterious music at the beginning, and then turned it to an epic place with brass and more synths.
I definitely did pitch bend the car door opening. Garrett's car is a bit older, and his car door always makes the weirdest noises when he opens it. And I just sat in complete silence and recorded this like super humorous sound. When we got back and we had a perfect sample of it, we pitched it down and we were able to make that the sound.
This project has always been a lot of fun, and it gets better every year. And the students really bring so many skills to the table. And when it's over, they have something that's really impressive that they can put in their portfolio and say, I've done this, 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 and this. Check it out. Can you give us an example of what the Doc voice sound like?
Hey, Marty! Yay!
Can you give us an example of what the Marty voice sound like?
Doc, yeah!